This Windermere Real Estate's in One Island property video is presented by Bet Cantrell. This must-see property on 2.28 acres of waterfront on Garrison Bay and 1/4 shared dock on Mosquito Pass avails both sunrise and sunsets on 2 bodies of water. The timber frame open floor plan main house built by celebrated Dave Knight boasts 24 feet vaulted ceilings, 3 bed/2 bath, custom milled hand-pegged maple floors with inlaid cherry borders and an aga range with 3 ovens and 5 burners. Looking up as you enter is a bridge across the dining room that takes you to bedrooms on either side. Wandering down a path is the 446 square feet waterfront guest cabin affectionately named Hippy Cabin, just steps to the water. Included is the 1.54 acre lot next door with 116 of waterfront, a shed with stove and a buoy, parcel number 462,650,091. The dock is on parcel number